So then once it's downloaded to your computer, you can go ahead and put it in your email software and send it out to subscribers when they join your list. Content upgrades, also known as opt-ins, freebies, or lead magnets, are pieces of free content that you give people in exchange for them giving you their contact information. It's usually their email address, but it can also be a phone number that they give you. But for the sake of this video, I'm assuming this content upgrade is for when you have people join your email list. How this works is that you give value in exchange for someone joining your email list, where you will nurture them until they're ready to work with you. So this needs to be something that your ideal audience would find helpful. It can be a guide, a checklist, swipe copy, or even a video or a mini course. If you use a video or a mini course, you'll probably just direct people to a landing page, but if you're doing one of the other options, a PDF is a good way to go. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a PDF content upgrade in Canva. Canva is a free graphic design tool that's very easy to use. You can upgrade for around $10 a month, so if you're using it often, I recommend upgrading for the extra benefits, but you can also just start out on the free account to see how you like it before you upgrade. To start, we'll go to Canva, and I have a link for you in the description if you want to use that. So to start, I would say to just search right here on the home page for reports. That'll come up with some good options for the PDF offer that you're going to have. Then you just scroll through and find one that you like, and then click it and it'll open up when you find one that you want to work with. And you can see here it has multiple pages. Most guides or reports that you click will have multiple pages. That's got the cover and then these interior pages. So that just makes it really easy for you. You don't have to really do a lot of design. It's just done for you. And then if you wanted to add more pages, you can click add a page right here, and you can add in more pages from this template, or if you wanted to, I'll delete this page and add another blank one. If you wanted to, you can close out over here and search more templates. So maybe you want to combine a few different ones. That's something you can do too. Then to edit them, to edit colors, you just click on the items. Right here, you can change colors. Oh, don't know why that happened. Oh, so this was actually a photo overlay. If you hit Command Z, it'll undo. So yeah, we can see here this is a photo. If we wanted to change the background, now we can click that and change the color. And you'll also notice this paint color matches this new page I loaded down here. It will show you the colors that are used in the document if you are combining different templates and want to use consistent colors throughout all your pages. I do recommend doing that. Will look good for your brand. Then if you want to change the fonts, you can just select them. These two are grouped together. If you want to ungroup them, you can just click there. But then you can choose your fonts. If you see that they have this little icon here, that means it's only available for pro members. So if you upgrade your account, you can have access to more fonts here, but there's still a lot of free ones in here too. To change the text, you just can highlight it and retype your new text. Canva doesn't have spell check, so I do recommend going in Google Docs or something like that first to do your typing and then just paste it in here. I do have Grammarly, so sometimes it tells me things are there, it's showing, but it's just not as good, I find, as a processor, because also it's not showing that it's misspelled right now until I click in there. So yeah, just spell check and do all the writing in Google Docs or some other word processor and copy it over here. To upload or change out the photos, you can go in here and just drag in new photos. You can see if you want something in the background, you just drag it in the background. Command Z to undo. And these are canvas photos here, but if you want more options, you can go here, and Pexels is my favorite place to go for photos, so that's another thing you can do. If you want to change out all these colors, you don't want this purple and you want to match it a brand color for you, you can just click the new color and down here say change all, and it'll do that for you. It doesn't do it for the fonts, but for the elements, the graphics, it'll change out. And sometimes these graphics here will let you edit them. Like these are charts, but you'll see some of these elements you can add in. You can't always color them or change the colors. Like this one, it's just an image. You can't change colors on that. So just go through and put in all your information for your guide. And once you're done, you'll hit download and it's suggesting a PDF. That's what you want. You don't want crop marks or a bleed. That's for printing, and this is just going to be for digital use. Right here, if you only wanted to select a few certain pages to download, you can do that. Otherwise, you just hit download. It takes a few seconds to prepare, and then it'll download onto your computer. So then once it's downloaded to your computer, you can go ahead and put it in your email software and send it out to subscribers when they join your list. So that's how you can make a content upgrade in Canva. And if you want to learn more about why your business needs an email list, check out this video and I'll also link it in the description. So what questions do you have about content upgrades? Are you using them in your business? Do you need more guidance on what they actually are or how to write the content for them? I'd love to chat with you in the comments, so let me know. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.